Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export your designs on Affinity Designer in CMYK colors. CMYK is commonly used for printed materials because it represents cyan, magenta, yellow, and black ink, rather than the red, green, and blue colors normally used on digital screens. So, let's get started. So, what you want to do, guys, is navigate your design on Affinity, and then click into File on the top left. Hover mouse over Export, and click into Export here. Alternatively, use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-Shift-W. The shortcut can save you time if you regularly export several versions of the same design. Here, guys, select your design file format. I will go with PNG. And then here, guys, what you want to do is, to the right, is click into pixel format. Different file formats support different color settings, so the options available in this section may change depending on the format you select. And if you see, for example, RGB or grayscale, you can use one of these. RGB is generally suitable for websites, social media, presentations, and other screen-based content, while grayscale is useful when you only need shades of black, white, and gray. But if CMYK are not supported, you'll need to select a different file format. Like, for example, let me go with JPEG. Choosing a supported format is important because otherwise the design may remain in an RGB color space. And then here, click in again into pixel format. And as you can see, CMYK is supported for this format. Select the CMYK option before continuing, so that the exported file uses the intended color format. Then you will see the calculated estimated file size here. This estimate can help you confirm whether the file is suitable for uploading, emailing, or sending to a printing company. Click into Export, and then save the given design on your device in the given location with this pixel format here, guys. It is a good idea to use a clear file name that identifies the file as the CMYK version, especially if you also keep an RGB copy for digital use. Before sending it for professional printing, you may also want to confirm the required format, dimensions, resolution, and color profile with the printer. That's how you do it. You can now export a CMYK version of your design by choosing a file format that supports the required pixel format. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful day.